the Angry Bird, and I made many Angry Birds made out of plasticine, and I'm gonna talk to you about them. It's just that this one is the boomerang one, and I'm talking about Angry Birds airplane. It's where this one gets catapulted. It comes right back, and this one is the first one on Angry Bird. This one doesn't do anything. It's just that when you tap it, it just makes a noise that goes caw, and that's all it does. And right here is the bomb one. It explodes when it hits something, and it turns red. This one's the parrot. When you tap it, then it runs in circles. It's just that when you fire it, then when you tap it, it goes like that, and then like that, and then it goes downer, and then upper, and then it goes even downer, and then it goes straight up into the sky when it's finished. And what was just that? This one is the only new one on Angry Birds airplane, and it's just that it's very colorful because it's just that it's flown to a lot of places, and and this one destroys wood. This one destroys metal. This one just destroys pigs, and this one when it does the circle, when it does the square there, then it can defeat the metal, the wood, the ice, and when it's just being catapulted, it can just destroy ice. And if you want to make your own video, just get a camera and make the plasticine in Angry Birds, and that's all for today.
Yay!